The next data type that I want to show is the dictionary. So dictionary is defined by using curly braces, and dictionaries, they hold keys and value pairs. So dictionaries is arguably one of the most useful standard Python objects that we use all the time. So how to define a dictionary. So let's create a dictionary of ranges. So starting with curly braces, and then the key, let's say range 1, it's going to be 5.0. Range 2, it's going to be 4.0. And range 3, it's going to be 3.0. So here I have defined a dictionary with 3 ranges defined by the pairs range 1 with the value 5, range 2 with value 4, and range 3 with value 3. So we can show the ranges on the screen, or we can print the ranges on the screen. Doesn't matter. The next way of specifying a dictionary is using the dict function within Python. So let's specify actually the same dictionary. Ranges equals dict, and it turned green. That means this is a reserved function within standard Python. And to define a dictionary this way, we do not use strings. We just type the name of the key. So say range 1 equals 5.0, range 2 equals 4.0, and range 3 equals 3.0. So this has the exact same result. So if I print ranges on the screen, it gives me the exact same result. Before I move into how to access ranges or dictionary values, I just want to make one comment, because I don't think we are covering sets on this tutorial, but sets are defined with curly braces as well. And just like lists, sets are comma separated. So if I run this, and if I look at the type of this object, this is a set. So it's different from a dictionary. A dictionary is defined by pairs of keys and values, and sets are defined by curly braces and just values separated by comma. One interesting thing about sets is that it doesn't matter if you have repeated values. A set is always the unique values. So you can use sets to find very quickly unique objects. So let's say you had a list of numbers, and if you want to find a list of unique numbers, you could convert this to a set and convert this back to a list, and this would result in a list of the unique values. So that's how sets and dictionaries are different, even though they use the same type of braces. So back to dictionaries, how to access a key on a dictionary. So my dictionary is called ranges, so this contains everything. If I want to access a given value, I can access it by the key using square brackets within my variable. And if I run this, it returns the value of range 1. If I do range 2, it will return the value of range 2. So we can use that and just make a nice representation. Say range 1 is equal to, and then just have range 1 and print that on the screen. So this will print nicely range 1, which has a value of 5 on the screen. Other things that are useful with dictionaries is that you can have access to the dictionary keys. So for instance, you can do ranges dot keys, and this returns all the keys of that dictionary. You may want to convert that to a list, so you have a list of the keys. You can do that. And the other thing you can do is to have access to the values. So this returns the values of the dictionary, and similarly you can convert that to a list and have a list of all the values on that dictionary. So let's just print that on the screen. So we are printing the dictionary keys and the dictionary values.